Welcome students, welcome to the video class. Today we will discuss this electric field and electric field intensity. ठीक है? Okay, what is electric field? So let us consider a charge. This is Q placed in air medium, and we know that a charge produce electric field lines. A charge produce electric field lines. So that means this charge will also produce electric field lines. These electric field lines are electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves that travel in the medium with the speed of light. ठीक है? So this charge will produce electric field lines. And these electric field lines will travel in the medium. And we know that when it travels in the medium, that is called permittivity of the medium. It is the number of field lines allowed by the medium. So the field lines will travel in the medium. And if it is a positive charge, the field lines are outward in nature. If it is a negative charge, the field lines are inward in nature. So जो पर्यंत these field lines will travel, this region is called electric field. Electric field of the charge. So this region or this space around the charge is called electric field of the charge. And remember this, if it is a positive charge, the field lines are outward. If the negative charge nabba, the field lines are inward in nature. So it is inward in nature. And second thing, in this field, यदि आउ गोटे चार्ज रखिबा, let us say another charge, this Q1. So the two charges are, or these two charges are same charges or like charges. They repel each other. So that means it will experience a force in outward direction. Similarly, यदि it a negative charge था, this is, suppose let us say this minus Q2. So it will experience a force in this direction. So that means we can say electric field is a space around the charge where its effect could be felt. Because in that region, यदि हमें गोटे charge रखिवा, it will experience a force either outward direction or inward direction. So we can say it is a space around the charge where its effect could be felt. Again I am saying a charge produces electric field lines. These electric field lines travel in the medium. That is called permittivity, the number of field lines allowed by the medium. When it travels in the medium, it travels a space or it travels through a region. That region is called electric field of the charge. यदि positive थियो, the field lines are outward. यदि negative थियो, the field lines are inward. The region जो पर्यंत से field lines travel करूची, that region is called this electric field of that charge. And in that field or in that region, यदि आगोटे charge रखिबा, so it will experience a force. So we can say electric field is a space around the charge where its effect could be felt. When you take a positive charge, so it produces electric field lines, and these field lines will travel in the medium. So जो पर्यंत जिबे, that is called the electric field of this positive charge. And for positive charge, the field lines are outward. यदि हमें नेगेटिव नवा तो the field lines are inward in nature. So we will say this is or this region is called this electric field of this negative charge. यदि गोटे positive and a negative charge नबा तो we know this positive and negative charge are unlike charges, they attract each other. So these field lines, they will start from the positive charge, ends in the negative charge due to this attraction. Positive by outward thila, negative by inward thila. So जेतबेले पाखरे रखिबा, these field lines will start from the positive charge and in the negative charge. So we can say this region is called the electric field of these two charge. यदि गोटे distribution of charge नबा, that is linear charge density, so in that case it will produce field lines. Positive achieve, that's why outward. So this region is called this electric field of this charge distribution. ठीक है, तो definition कौन होगा? तो electric field due to a charge or a distribution of charge is the space around it. It is the space around it where its effect could be felt. Next is electric field intensity or electric field strength. So it is represented by the letter E. To understand this concept, so let us consider an example. Let us consider a torch. जब torch को हमें switch on करिबा, the light rays will come out of the torch and moves in the forward direction. When the light rays moves in the forward direction, distance सहित light रो intensity decrease करे. Again, when the light rays travel in the forward direction, distance सहित light रो उज्जवलता कमी कमी जाए. So same thing happens in this case. When we take a charge and place it in a medium, it produces electric field lines. These electric field lines will travel in the medium. जो पर्यंत से माने travel करिवे, that is called the field of that charge. ठीक है. And second thing is when the electric field lines are moving in the forward direction, distance सहित the strength of this electric field or this electric field strength decreases with distance. Okay, distance सहित the electric field strength will decrease. यदि हमें move करें in the forward direction, तो distance सहित electric field strength मतलब decrease करे. So that means we can say at different points in the field we will have different electric field strength or different electric field intensity. ठीक है? Okay. So let us consider a point P, and at that point let us put a charge Q naught. Again, consider a point P which is some distance from the charge, and let us put a test charge at that point. What is a test charge? It is a very small charge, and a test charge never creates its own electric field. ठीक है? तो जितना हमें test charge से रखिए point P रे, it will experience a force. So it will experience a force in this direction. So we can say the electric field strength at point P is the force experienced by the test charge. And out of the test charge is a very small charge, so I am लिखी this limit Q naught tends to 0. So this is the formula of this electric field strength at point P. So it is the force experienced by the test charge. ठीक है? तो even यदि हमें गोटे unit positive charge नबा, unit positive or negative charge नबा, it will also experience a force. So let us say, let us put a unit positive charge at this point. So if positive charge hochi, it will be repelled by this charge. So it will experience a force in this direction. So we can also say this electric field strength or electric field intensity at this point is the force experienced by the unit positive charge. It is the force experienced by the unit positive charge. यदि हमें यूनिट नेगेटिव चार्ज नहीं था ओनली द डायरेक्शन टा कोन था डायरेक्शन उल्टा डायरेक्शन ही था अदर थिंग्स आर सेम ठीक है तो डेफिनेशन बुझो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू ए चार्ज मींस this electric field strength or electric field intensity is produced by the charge. In this case it is q ठीक है at a point the electric field strength due to a charge at a point means in this case p is the point and this is the point and this is the point is the force experienced by the unit positive charge at that point. It is the force experienced by the unit positive charge at that point ठीक है is the test charge now it is the force experienced by the test charge ही था ठीक है at this point ठीक है next is the unit and dimension of electric field. So we have discussed that E is equal to F by Q. In vector form we can write this E vector is equal to F vector by Q. ठीक है so from this two we can also write this F is equal to EQ. यदि गोटे electric field रे if you put a charge it will experience a force ठीक है okay next is unit. So E is equal to F by Q. F ro unit is Newton, Q coulomb. So in SI system the unit of E is Newton per coulomb. So in CG system it is dyne and this is start coulomb. So in CG system the unit of E is dyne by state coulomb. ठीक है dimension. So E is equal to F by Q. So Q is equal to IT. So the dimension of F is m1 L2 t minus 2 and this IT is ampere into time. So we got this m1 L2 t minus 3 a minus 1. So this is the dimension of electric field. ठीक है sorry that is electric field intensity or electric field strength. Next we will do a question based on F is equal to EQ. ठीक है the question is two charges 2 microcoulomb and -5 microcoulomb are placed in a electric field of strength 10 Newton per coulomb as shown in the figure. Find the direction and force experienced by the two charges. Again two charges 2 microcoulomb and -5 microcoulomb are placed in the electric field and the electric field strength is that is 10 Newton per coulomb. So we have to find the force on the two charges ठीक है तो जेतोले हमें electric field कहूचे the electric field is moving in the forward direction and हमें जानिचे this electric field always travel from positive charge to negative charge. So that means यदि electric field the direction आगु को छी this side is the positive charge थिबो a side negative थिबो. Again electric field always moves from positive charge to negative charge. So यदि electric field if it is moving in the forward direction this side positive charge गोटे थिबो upper side गोटे negative charge थिबो हां कि नहीं that's why the electric field is moving in the forward direction that is from positive to negative. And jadi if this side is the positive charge the positive charge 2 microcoulomb will be repelled in this direction or this positive charge will be attracted towards the negative charge in this direction. So force direction कौन आसियो in this or the direction of force for the 2 microcoulomb is along the direction of electric field. Magnitude केते होगा तो F is equal to that is EQ. तो E is how much 10 and the charge केते होची that is 2 microcoulomb. 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 न्यूटन. ठीक है. ओके, सेकेंड चार्ज ऊपर फोर्स बाहर करिए. तो 8 ही this is a negative charge minus 5 microcoulomb. So this negative charge will be attracted towards the positive side. तो फोर्स डायरेक्शन कौन होगा? In this direction. So it will experience a force opposite to the direction of electric field, that is anti-parallel direction. ठीक है. तो मैग्नीट्यूड कौन होगा? that is EQ is 10 into charge is, तो we'll put the magnitude part because direction में put कर दीजिए. तो magnitude is 5, तो 5 microcoulomb, or that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. So this is 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 Newton. ठीक है.